This is the poinciana plant, otherwise known as peacock flower plant. This has been growing in a small pot, earthen pot, for a long time. I'm transplanting it into a bigger pot so that it will get a little more space. And you see, the pot has to be broken because the brim is small and belly is larger in diameter. Without troubling the roots, it will be difficult to take it out. So I decided to break the pot and take out the root ball and then transplant it to another pot. So welcome to my channel. You see the root ball is full of roots, nothing else. So while transplanting, now this is the pot into which I'll be repotting the poinciana plant, and these are the materials that will go into the potting mix. This is the soil, that is about 60% of the soil that is required. This is river sand, that's about 20%, and this is perlite, that's about 10%, and this is a mixture of all the required micro and macronutrients for the plant mixed together, pre-mixed, and all this will be going into the potting mix for the plant. Now let's start doing it. Put a little bit of perlite, little bit of the manure, and about 1/3 of the sand. Then put the fresh garden soil. Then mix them all together like this, and I'll be putting the rest of the material also again and mixing the whole thing together. Then I will show you. So the whole thing is mixed together now, properly mixed. I didn't show it to you because I need to use both my hands. And this is the pot into which we will be transplanting the poinciana plant, and you see the holes in that. You can see the holes, 4 holes are there, and the potting mix has been made in such a way that it retains enough water. At the same time, the substances like perlite will be absorbing and keeping the water for some time, and will be releasing for the plant whenever required. And the river sand that is added, that will make the soil more porous. And the soil that I used is fresh garden soil that is not used before in this garden. And the manure, that's a mixture of all the possible nutrients that are required. That includes the seaweed extract, some vermicompost, and some bone meal, then the cake of neem seeds and similar things. Now let's put some of the soil, only, because I'm not going to disturb the root ball, and put it like this, and pour some more of the potato mix into it. Then just tilt it and shake it a bit so that the air holes made by the ball will be almost closed. So as the last part of the operation, I just have to put some water. That's to see if the soil is, and here it is. We are going to put some water into it and see if it is, and shake it a little more, because the air holes and other things will be closed and the water will start going from beneath. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, share and like. It will be a great help for me, and thank you and bye.